SAP is uniquely placed to make Business AI a reality because they've got fantastic adoption across the globe, across multiple industries.
We had about 7,500 payroll information requests this year. And with AI, you can get it in seconds. And that makes all the difference. We will have an 80% reduction in cost due to using Joule.
We use data to understand our customer, make our supply chain efficient and limit food waste. If we don't use AI, then we don't understand the full amount of data.
American Honda is transforming to be a battery electric vehicle company. Upskilling and reskilling our associates is really a critical step. AI is both improving efficiencies and effectiveness and expanding on employee experience.
AI helps us significantly improve our margins and deliver the core purpose of our organization.
Joule should be the assistant of each and every employee because that makes life in the business easier.
Our overall AI journey is driven by a commitment to enhancing capabilities and uncovering potentials. This is why we count on SAP Business AI. Together, we're shaping a smarter tomorrow.